Hello guys, this is Gabriel here from the Orion car audio headquarters. In this occasion what we're going to show you is the Slim series on the 8-inch size. So this is going to be the XSM805SL. This is our new mid-range. As you can see, the cone will have a different texture as well as the surround as its predecessor, which is the 804. You can see actually it's not only the color but the texture of the cone and surround itself. What is this changes going to do for our sound? It will increase the frequency range. Now you'll be able to drop frequencies or reproduce frequencies from 130 Hz up to 20K. Other than that, you will increase the power. We used to have 300 RMS on the old model and we're going to have 350 RMS on the new model. The grill mesh is going to be the same one as the predecessor, so there's not going to be any change in this one. From here, we're going to pass to our test lab so we can show you a hearing sound. I know the camera won't catch up all the data or all the sounds we're going to try to explain to you, but it will actually focus on that. On the new product, you'll be able to give up a little more clicks or put a little bit more power on them, as well as some wider frequency ranges. Hello guys, Gabriel here with the tuning part of the test. As you can see, we got our 805 and our 804 from the Slim series, the one we were just showing you a couple of seconds ago. So here you'll see on the EQ, we got our flat. The idea is to show you what you can do with this product, how far can you go on the head unit. And sometimes we do prefer to do some kind of presets like this so you can focus on, if you're not hearing too much of the tweeters, you can increase them. But let me show you what we can do with this head unit. Let me put this one first, which is the old model.
DJ
At that point we can hear all the frequencies. Is a really flat, but if we put that same song, same level on this one, let me show you something. Frequency range, it's a little bit wider, but we can do something additional to it. Look at this. We can increase a few clicks, and then if you got already a preset which takes some bass, takes some unwanted frequency, you can actually so once you do your tuning, you can increase a little bit clicks on your head unit. This one has more power than the old model, but the frequency range was increased also a little bit so you can have better sound quality in your cars.